The full story of Mustafizur Rahman, from a small village to world cricket's most feared bowler. This is not just the story of a cricketer. This is the story of dream, struggle, patience, pain, and global success. The story of Mustafizur Rahman, known to the world as the Fizz. Chapter 1. A boy from Satkhira. Mustafizur Rahman was born on 6 September 1995 in Satkhira, a quiet district in southwestern Bangladesh. His family was simple, hard-working, and deeply rooted in rural life. There were no big stadiums, no professional coaches, and no modern facilities, only dusty fields, taped tennis balls, and endless passion. Like millions of Bangladeshi boys, Mustafizur dreamed of playing for the Bangladesh national cricket team, but unlike most, his left arm had something special. Even as a teenager, people noticed that the ball behaved strangely when he bowled. It dipped late, it cut sharply, batters misjudged it again and again. Yet talent alone was not enough. Chapter 2. The Hard Road to Dhaka. To chase his dream seriously, Mustafizur left his village and moved to Dhaka, where competition was fierce and survival was hard. He trained under local coaches, bowled for hours every day, and learned discipline the hard way. At Bangladesh Krira Shika Pratishthan, the country's premier sports institute, coaches refined his raw talent. They noticed his natural ability to bowl cutters, deliveries that look fast but arrive slower, confusing batters completely. This skill would later become his weapon. Chapter 3. Youth Cricket and First Recognition. Mustafizur represented Bangladesh Under-19 and played in the 2014 ICC Under-19 World Cup. He was not the most talked-about player, but selectors saw something rare: control, calmness, and intelligence. Soon he entered domestic cricket, playing for teams like Abani Limited. Match after match, he took wickets against senior players. His name slowly reached the national selectors. What happened next shocked the cricketing world. Chapter 4. A debut that shook world cricket. In June 2015, Mustafizur Rahman made his ODI debut against India, one of the strongest teams in the world. What followed felt unreal. Match 1, 5 wickets. Match 2, 6 wickets. Series total, 11 wickets in 2 matches. No bowler in history had ever done this on debut against India. Great batters like Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma looked helpless. Commentators were stunned. The cricketing world asked one question: who is this boy? Overnight, Mustafizur Rahman became a global sensation. Chapter 5. The Rise of the Fizz. Soon after, Mustafizur made his Test and T20 International debuts. Everywhere he played, batters struggled to read him. His slower cutters, disguised perfectly, became nightmares, especially in the final overs. He quickly set records: fastest Bangladeshi to 50 ODI wickets, fastest Bangladeshi to 100 ODI wickets, one of the world's leading wicket takers in T20 internationals. He was no longer just a Bangladeshi star, he was a world-class bowler. Business and Fame. Chapter 6. Mustafizur's success earned him contracts in top T20 leagues, including the Indian Premier League, IPL. He played for teams like Sunrisers Hyderabad, Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Royals, Delhi Capitals. In the IPL, he proved that his skills worked against the best players in the world. Big names failed to pick his slower balls. captains trusted him in the most difficult moments. Despite global fame and money, Mustafizur remained humble, soft-spoken, disciplined, and focused. Injuries and mental battles.
Success was not smooth. Mustafizur suffered multiple injuries, especially shoulder and ankle problems. Many feared his unique bowling action would shorten his career. At times, he was ruled out of major tournaments. These were his darkest moments. But instead of giving up, he adapted, changed his workload, improved fitness, bowled smarter, not faster. This phase made him mentally stronger and more mature. Leader of Bangladesh's bowling attack. With experience, Mustafizur became the senior bowler of Bangladesh. In ICC tournaments like ODI World Cups, T20 World Cups, Asia Cups, he often carried the bowling attack alone. Young bowlers looked up to him. Fans trusted him. When Bangladesh needed wickets, the ball went to Mustafizur. Legacy beyond numbers. Mustafizur Rahman changed Bangladeshi cricket forever. Before him, Bangladesh was known mainly for spinners. After him, the world respected Bangladeshi fast bowling. His legacy is not just wickets, but belief. A boy from a small village can dominate world cricket. The man behind the player. Off the field, Mustafizur is quiet, family-oriented, and deeply connected to his roots. He represents millions of young Bangladeshis who dare to dream beyond limitations. Final words. Mustafizur Rahman's story is a reminder that greatness does not come from privilege, it comes from persistence. From dusty village fields to the biggest stadiums on earth, from anonymity to global respect, the Fizz continues to inspire a nation.